Parshat Naso contains within it the Birkat Kohanim, the priestly blessing. The 3 verses that were recited by the Kohanim in the Beit HaMikdash, and which are still recited to this very day in Israel every single day. In the diaspora, in the Sephardi communities more regularly, and in the Ashkenazi communities on festivals. And those 3 verses are very well known. Yivarechecha Hashem Yishmerecha. Hashem will bless you and safeguard you. Ya'er Hashem panav elecha v'yichuneka. Hashem will illuminate His countenance for you, and He will be gracious to you. Yisa Hashem panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom. God will lift up His countenance towards you, and He will grant you peace. That final phrase, Yisa Hashem panav elecha, that Hashem will lift His countenance towards you, means Hashem will show you favor. He will show you, He will make you a favorite. There will be favoritism. And yet elsewhere the Torah says, Lo yisapanim. God doesn't show favoritism. Everything is according to merit. You behave properly, Hashem rewards you correspondingly. A person sins, they are punished correspondingly. So on one verse it says, Lo yisapanim, God doesn't show favoritism. And yet here, the Kohanim are blessing the people, Yisa Hashem panav elecha, that God should show you favoritism. Why should that be? And the Talmud gives a fascinating answer. It says, because Hashem commanded us in the Torah, you'll eat and you'll be satiated, you'll be full, and then you'll bless Hashem. You really only have to recite Birkat HaMazon, the grace after meals, the benching, if you are satiated, you've eaten so much food that you're completely full. But the Jewish people, they do benching, they do Birkat HaMazon, grace after meals, even if they've eaten a small amount, even if they've eaten kazayat, the size of an olive, or kabetza, the size of an egg. They are not satisfied to do the mitzvot when there's a basic requirement. They want to go lifnim mishurat hadin. They want to go beyond the letter of the law. Hidur mitzvah, they want to beautify a mitzvah. As the Talmud says in Tractate Shabbat, that if you're going to make a sukkah, make a beautiful sukkah. If you're going to commission or you're going to write for yourself a Sefer Torah, it should be beautiful and beautiful parchment with the best script and covered in beautiful covers with crowns. And so it is with every mitzvah. The Jewish people throughout the ages have always tried to do beyond the letter of the law. We're not satisfied with the basics. We want to do more. And therefore Hashem says, for such people I'm going to show favoritism. In a way, it's not even favoritism. It's really measure for measure. You go beyond the letter of the law for me, and I will go beyond the letter of the law for you. Now, you can't necessarily do this with every mitzvah, and there's often a cost involved, but whatever it may be, if you really love a mitzvah, and you appreciate, and you want to serve Hashem, do it with all of your heart. Make it as beautiful as possible. Do a hidur mitzvah, so that Hashem will show you favor. Yisa Hashem panav elecha, He will lift His face towards you and grant you peace. I wish you a Shabbat Shalom.